Hello everybody and welcome back to Number15Tails plays the Forest of Drizzling Rain. In the last part, oh I can't unlock the door. In the last part we found some girl. Get the feeling that this is dangerous. And then we ran into this ninja guy. The ninja guy is real weird. In this part we're probably gonna find out more about the ninja guy. Wait, I got a key, so what's the key for? Door no longer opens. So what's the key for that I picked up? Maybe I put it in here. Let's see. Okay, I can't use it there. Yo, I wanna see. Let's go see somewhere else. We'll find this out. You just watch me, I'll find out. A necklace, I need to put it back. Oh, I forgot to put that back. A scrap of paper fell from the desk's drawer. What is this, a piece of an old calendar? Ah, there's a circle on the date. Obtain calendar scrap. Wait. A calendar? That's the dot on June 12th. Wait, that might be it. That might be the answer for that box puzzle. June is the... I don't know which month June is. Let's see. January, February, March, April, May, June. It's the 6th month in June 12th. Ah, I was right way. One number. The wooden box open. Josh, I'm a genius. There's a silver key. Got the silver key. I'm super cool because I got that puzzle and it's still locked. Better guess, then we'll find someplace else to go, I guess. Door is also locked. That's just so lame. I don't know where to go. Maybe now. So what now? I don't know. What do I do? Did I miss anything? Something? No. Anything? Come on, it's gotta be something. Come on. Yeah, I think that's it. Maybe it opens the door. No. What was that? Ah, how cold. Oh, it's just the water again. What else can I do then? Because there's not much I can do now. Let's try going back to the second floor. Number15Tails, where you waste time if you play a game blindly. What? Who said that? No one? Okay, that's cool. Okay. I guess we'll go in here then. You know, wait, what? Oh, there's a rope. Josh, I'm a genius. I meant to do that. I knew that was the entire time. So I'm a genius. I'm a smart person. I like the music of making this. What was that? It was from the upper floor. Save. I don't know, kind of sucky. I feel kind of scared of this. But we're gonna go, I guess. Oh no. It's Ninja Guy. And what's your name? Huh? Oh no. No, no, let me go. Oh no. Get down. It's locked so it won't open. There's the sound of footsteps coming closer. Run. I need to somehow keep this door shut. How? How do I keep it shut? What do I do? What do I do? Rope? I can keep the doorknob still with the door. Yes! Thank you, rope. No, stay away. Nobody's home. This is Luigi speaking. Nobody's home. No. Luigi says nobody's home. Leave now. No. Leave. Ninja guy. Oh, wait. Am I supposed to? Absolutely. Can't go out right now. Okay. What do I do? What do I do? Jump out the window! Oh, are you serious? If I can throw something below, it seems like I could make a loud sound. No, that's not the time for reading! We're in the middle of something over here. The banging seems to have stopped. I was scared. No! Throw something. Well, like what? Alright. Don't read. What item can I use? Okay, let's try something from my inventory. Let's throw this silver key. Let's throw the calendar. Let's throw the lamp. Lighting the lamp isn't helping. So what now? What happened? What do I do? What? The old lamp, of course. If I throw this old lamp. Wait, what? Oh, another ape sound effect. The window didn't break. What the heck? Seems like that person has gone away. Need to quickly get out of here. Also, I'm concerned about that kid too. The window is not locked. Okay. It's locked. What do I do? I'm scared. Save. Save, Kanasaki. I'm scared. It's locked and it won't open. Great, just great. Now what? I think I've gone through everything that I can, can't I? Or I just came through here. Let's take a look at the item inventory. We got a calendar and a silver key. One of them has to work. Tableware. Tables. Stuff for tables and mesas. But mostly tables. Well, then again also mesas. Come on, I'm about to cross the 10-minute mark. We gotta find something. I don't want to go downstairs. I gotta go downstairs. Here it goes. Tricode. Nothing. Anything here? It's locked. What do I do? Well, guess I gotta say, I'm gonna have to end it off here then. Cause I mean, I'm about to cross the 10-minute mark and I'm not really finding anything. Oh, never mind, I found something. Oh, spooky. Oh no, I'm too scared. Let's get out of here. So yeah, see you guys in the next part when I, Number15Tails, play the Forest of Drizzling Rain. This is scary. Scary. Well, not that scary, but it's surprising at times. Like that mouse. So yeah. See you guys in the next episode. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date with this very confusing Let's Play, because I'm confused most of the time. So yeah. Bye.